Good afternoon, everyone. This game, it's a game 2 quarterfinal between Barangay Miranda and Barangay Cambaros. Jumble now between Oloroso and Alfonso. And the ball is up. First position goes to Barangay Cambaros. Pordan penetrate, finds a way. Short. Alfonso fading away, bouncing out. Oloroso on the rebound. Pass to Ameli. To Padilla. Long two. No. Still by Amili. It's a 3-on-2. To Padilla. He fake. Short. To Pordan. On the move, and they got a foul. Jersey number 9. First foul, Nemichu. Amili now dribble the ball. Pulls it up. It's good. For 3 short. Mayola pass to Padilla. He lost the ball. Recovered by Oloroso. To Padilla. To the right side, Nemisho. Inside pass to Oloroso. Short. Alfonso now on the rebound. Gallego. Pass to kick out on the flip side. 4-3 air ball. Alfonso. Penetrate. And he got a foul. Jersey number 7. First foul, Oloroso. Rebound for Dan and football. Basket points. Warning, jersey number 24 for delaying the game from Barangay Cambaros. Hamili now for 3. Yes! Open 3 response, so strong. Merat as well. Padilla. Tony Micho on the corner. Yes! Looking around, Bilyesa. To Molina. Shot clock 12. Finding by jersey number 25, Alfonso. Easy 2 points. Back to Hamili. 2 guys on him. Goes to Padilla. Penetrate is good. Bordan. Molina, bound pass to jersey number 24, Villas at Alfonso. No good. Rebound goes to Mayola, taking away the ball. Out of bounds. Hamili. Pass to Nemisio. Tap the ball. Still by Alfonso. Pass to Belleza. Molina. Bordan. Perimeter jumper. Inside pass to Alfonso. Kick out. 3 seconds. Violation called by referee Isoy. Padilla now bring up the ball from Team Miranda. Hamanta. Inside pass to Oloroso into the bucket. Easy 2 points. Bonus throw, Oloroso. Alfonso now on the rebound. To Belleza. Molina. Free for 3. Why not? Almost. Molina now on the rebound. Second opportunity from Team Cambaros for 3. Air ball. Molina trying to save the ball. Still by Padilla. Padilla now pushing the action on the run. And to the bucket. Bouncing out. Hamili to Padilla. Finding by Oloroso. Easy 2 points. Foul jersey number 24. Mayola. First foul, Mayola, jersey number 24. Gallego for 3. Short. Hamantak now for the offensive rebound pass to Hamili. Pass to Padilla. 12 shot clock. Hamili for 3. No. Rebound. Same ball. Timeout, Barangay Miranda. Time 3 minutes 34 seconds. Score 14-6 in favor of Miranda. Shot clock 10. Foul jersey number 30, De La Cruz. Jordan. Inside pass, pull up jumper, no. Jordan, no good. Shot clock 10. Hamantok. Baseball pass to Padilla. Finishing on the right. Got it. Belyesa. Guarded by Padilla. Alfonso. Offensive foul. Jersey number 25. First foul, Alfonso. Bellarmino. 4-3, so strong. Rebound from Cambaras. Gallego. Pass to Molina. To Pordan. Pordan penetrate on the left. No good. Hamantok to De La Cruz and to the bucket. Basket of mines. Belyesa. Alfonso. Pass to Gallego. Short. There's a lost ball foul. Jersey number 29 from Miranda. Bellarmino. Penalty na rep. Oh, penalty na. Sub. Time 1 minute 35 seconds. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Sub. Villalobos now checks in. Mago now dribble the ball. Pass to Hamantok on the right side. Still by Pordan. Pordan faking a pass into the bucket. Short. Rebound Bellarmino. To Hamantok. Pass on the down low. No. Rebound. Nowhere to go. De La Cruz. Traveling violation. "55 seconds. Gallego. Running shot. 100. No. Hamantok now on the rebound and dribble the ball. Hamantok using the glass connect for the points. 35. 30. Foul, jersey number 3. Holding foul. Penalty na rep, penalty na.
Nasa
29 seconds. De La Cruz for the rebound. And they lost the control. Pordan on the move. Short. Bellarmino. Dribbling on the run. Finishing on the right. Got it! 10. 7. 5. 3. on the first quarter. Foul jersey number 24. Ayala. Back on the court now on the second quarter game. Quarter final, game number 2 between Miranda and Cambaros. 15 under category. Circle shot, no. Follow up using the glass, in and out. Rebound, El Armo, nowhere to go. Traveling violation. Belleza. Kick out, Topordan. Shot clock 14. There is a whistle, blocking foul. Jersey number 4. El Armo. First foul. Gallego for 3. Bouncing out. Amili on the leader. Offensive foul, jersey number 28. First personal foul, Paraco. Molina, open 3. In and out, Belleza. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey.